Ka me ka me. Please don't break any more planets.
I know, it's more than 4 months now since I posted the last video on this channel, but trust me, in these 4 months I've seen worst days of my life. Like all my backup files lost, and my phone was break because I was torturing him and he thought it better to die, I guess. And the worst nightmare that came true is the channel demonetization. Nevertheless, the best part is that we are back on track.
Really? Really?
Well, I hope so.
Okay.
Okay, so talking about the new video, the animation is almost done and we will publish the video as soon as we done editing. Your support is most important. I appreciate all of your love and support. So stay tuned and thanks for watching this video.